Hello, Joe. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business, more hours, lawn, and landscaping. So the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Joe, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio. Can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I would like to go over is content. So for any site, your business site needs to be optimized for Google by having 1,500 words filled with keywords. But since you don't have a site right now, which is totally fine, everything's doable in due time. I'll be going over one of your competitors in your same area. That'd be Olympic Lawn and Landscape. So, Olympic Lawn and Landscape have about 788 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich your keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So going over to a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, which shows what a site is actually ranking for. And since you don't have a site, I'll be going over Olympic Lawn for the remainder of this screencast. And every month, people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times, right? You go over keywords, organic keywords, and you see what their site's ranking for and what they're ranking for keyword-wise. So edging blocks. That has a total search volume of 350 people per month searching for edging blocks, and that's a 15 KD out of 100. So it goes from 0 to 100 for KD. Now, they're in the first position for edging blocks. So they're getting 13 people out of 350 for edging blocks. Now, Olympic Lawn and Landscape, they're in the first position as well, but that's only at 30 volume, but they're still getting 9 people out of Olympic Lawn and Landscape. So going over to a higher volume, like 300 again, you have Landscape Barrier, 26 KD, so it's very hard to rank, but they're in the first position. Now this is bringing in at least 5 people per month for a Landscape Barrier linking back to their site. Now I know that's a lot to take in, but that's totally fine. That's why I'm here. I'm here to answer any questions you may have after this video has been sent to you. So next thing I like to move over to is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Pack or Maps. So doing a search for Independence Lawn Landscape, you can see you're not in the first 3 or even 5 of the Google Map Pack, which is totally fine. So a few things I'd like you to do to start ranking yourself is to start trying to get ratings on your Facebook profile. That's a good start for getting your ratings up. Now, to answer your question on how you rank here as well, when you have a website, you will have a citation list on it. And that citations is your name, address, and phone numbers inside the Google Map Pack, right? Business name, address, and phone number. Or name, address, and phone number. Now, go over to this tool I like to use called WhiteSpark, and inside the tool is Local Citation Finder. So I know this isn't you, but for some reason this site popped up and it says they have 11 citation sources. Now, that means not all of these are going to be citation sources because there's 11, there's only probably about like 8 here, 9-ish maybe. But these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellowbook, Whitebook, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So backlinks is the next thing I like to talk about. We call this thing gives you site authority, link juice. As you can see, when you do a search for Independence Lawn Landscape, and you go scroll down, you see Yelp's in the first spot. But we're not going to count that as a real business because it's not. So your Green Pal might be one. Olympic Lawn is one. So this is where you want to be. Outdoor Escape KC. This is where you want to be. And be there to beat those guys in those positions. You have to beat them out in every aspect. So this link juice simply put works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's way more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites that can back you. So for example, if you were to have Outdoor Escapes, Casey, not saying that you should, because this is your competitor, instead of a pizza linking back to you, because pizza, you don't sling pizza for a living, therefore it's not relevant. Now bringing up Ahrefs again, I go to their backlinks, and this tool, Ahrefs, I use, it's about $100 a month, and it's great for check out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So here you can see they have about 177 links ranking back to their site with high DRs. Now this is how they're ranking in the first page of Google. Now this is still very beatable, and we can do that pretty soon. Now looking down though, you can see every single one. You can take them for yourself. Start doing this by yourself for free. So the three things that we went over today, right? We have content. Throughout your homepage, I know it's not yours, but throughout your homepage, you know, at least 1,500 words full of keywords. Any about page, service pages, or even location pages, you want at least 1,000 words, so you can rank those as well later on if you really want to. You can go 500 to 1,000 is my recommendation, so you can keep these optimized tablets from Google. So citations, you want at least 100 to 200 of these citations so you can start ranking in Google Map Pack without the rankings or without the ratings as well. So link juice, the last time we talked about, right? You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means going down and grabbing any relevant sites with high DRs to go back to your site, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. If you need to rewatch the video a few times, that's also fine. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.